Sara? Dahil dili ni picture. This is video.
We're done.
Video.
Ha? Unsa?
We are done.
Video.
Yes, we're
That
done.
will be the highest glory.
Yes, this is my food.
Kalipot niya at one.
Glenn eh?
Ay, maulaw tayo.
Look at the chickenini over there. A lot of red.
Mark.
Hello, this is me, Andy Choi. Richie, the trying hard copycat. Look at that. Look at that. Ang alagang gata. Kami lagi sa gatas. Okay kayo. So, hello. That was the wedding reception. Well, of course, with our most behave MC, Karen Lopez Cuadra. Oh, what a surname! Oh, natukan si kung ano, milkmaid. Okay, that was oras to. Bye-bye.
Oh, wala siya i-appeal sa video. Magpa-video gid siya.
I like it.
They are happy because generally ito sa good performance. Ang problema karon. If it's a thank you performance.
No,
It's a experience for a cause.
ang tanan ihatag sa buhi nga Diyos. Sa dito to. Ito. Dinha dito. Ha. Dito, buhi nga Diyos. Arichio. Grabe ay. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye naman tanan. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye.